More protests this weekend in Brazil as COVID continues to ravage the country. Now, Brazil has the second highest number of COVID deaths in the world, and it has only administered 1 million doses of the vaccine. The population there is 211 million. You get the idea. When I spoke to the foreign minister last week, he told me the situation was, in his words, under control.
The vaccine rollout is low, but basically, I think the same speed as in many countries in Europe, North America. We have already vaccinated 700,000 people. This makes Brazil today maybe the sixth country with the largest number of vaccinated people, and we just started 1 week ago. So, and logistics is very good. So we are not very much concerned with that aspect, right? What we are, I mean, there's a specific outbreak in Manaus, in the north of Brazil, which required more oxygen than normally. This is being dealt with in a specific way, in a very specific way. But overall, the situation of the COVID is under control. Of course, lots of cases. It's a large country, large population, but also lots of people cured of COVID.
Minister, the international organisations don't agree that it's under control. Those who have observed it say that either the reporting has been less than accurate or the testing is not as widespread as it should be. Yeah,
no, it's under control in the sense that the health system is doing fine. People have beds in hospitals. The vaccines are arriving. People are being vaccinated in a rhythm that is basically the one of most large countries, or most countries overall, well, the situations like that. I mean, it's serious like elsewhere. But Brazil has been the country with the fourth or fifth largest number of deaths per million. Now we're about 23 or 24 in terms of deaths per million. Of course, right. Each death is a tragedy, but we have improved a lot.
The CNN journalists we've had there and have there currently paint a very different picture to the one that you've just painted, and that there is nowhere near the amount of testing or vaccinations across the country, and even allowing for the region Manaus that's in problems, this is far more widespread. I put it to you that you're putting a rosy picture on what is a very bad situation.
It's not rosy. Of course, you treat it very seriously, but it's not as dark as has been painted in many cases. And there are some regions which are have less serious outbursts, others more serious, especially Manaus. But as I told you, we have this universal healthcare system, which is holding fine against all this amount of challenge. And vaccination is underway. As I told you, I mean, we have already maybe almost 2% of people going to be vaccinated over the next few days, which is basically more than many European countries which have started before. So, of course, we would like this to be faster, but I think every country would like to be this to be faster. So this is basically what's happening.